Hello everyone, my name is 𝐔𝐧𝐝𝐿 and today we are going to have fun with time. Tick tock, are you ready? Let's begin. So when the big hand is on 12 and the smaller hand is on 4, that means it's 4 o'clock. That means a new hour begins. When the big hand is on 6 and when the smaller hand is on 4 still, a little bit front in 4, that means it's 4:30. 15 minutes more than 8 o'clock. When the big hand is on 9 and the smaller hand is behind 1, that means it's 1:45. Because there are 15 minutes left, and after 15 minutes it'll be 1 hour. So that's why it's 1:45. Isn't time amazing? It helps us know when to eat, play, and sleep. Thanks for learning with me. Now go check your clock and tell someone the time. Bye. Tick tock, don't stop learning.